Hello, and welcome to Modern Girl Manifests. Here are 5 steps to manifesting money within 24 hours. Be sure to watch until the end, as the last step is the most important. Before we begin, we need to understand that money is one of the most emotional topics discussed on the planet. Everybody wants to manifest money. So why is it that so many people have an emotional relationship with money? And what is it that gives money so much emotional force? It is because we give this piece of paper meaning and attachment. Sometimes we attach the meaning of money to our own experiences in life. For example, I need this paycheck to pay for my rent this month, or I only have $40 in cash to pay for groceries this week. So if we lose $40 in cash, we don't get to buy groceries. Sometimes we can go on a deeper level when it comes to the meaning of money. Some of you may believe that money is power, or money is the root of all evil. Whatever meaning you are attaching to money is either coming towards you or driving it away. What I invite you to do is follow these exact steps and give this technique a try, because this technique works 100% as long as you follow the exact steps I'm about to share with you. You will have money within the next 24 hours. So, if you are ready to receive money in the next 24 hours, be sure to hit the like button down below. Here are 5 steps to manifest money within 24 hours. Number 1. Transform your relationship with money. In order to set the foundation, we first need to know what self-talk you have surrounding money. To understand the key elements of your relationship with money, see what thoughts arise when you complete these sentences. You can grab a pen and paper and pause this video to write down your answers. My biggest fear about money is people with money are in order to have more money, I would need to When you create this list, circle the answers that you feel your belief is holding you back from manifesting money. This will give you an idea of your beliefs around money. By bringing attention and awareness to your beliefs, you will have a better understanding of your emotions and feelings surrounding money. Here are some of the most widely recognized beliefs people hold that shield them from creating wealth into their lives. I can't afford this, it's too expensive. Money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are so greedy. I'm too afraid to check my bank account because I don't even know what my balance is. When you become aware of your self-talk with money, you begin to notice a thought pattern. If those thought patterns are negative self-talk, then that is what you will attract in your life. In order to set the foundation, you need to know where you are at with money. You need to change your self-talk and shift your mindset into abundance. You can use this affirmation: money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. Money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. Number 2, shift into a money mindset. Majority of us have inherited a mixed bag of some positive and some negative beliefs about money. These money beliefs in turn affect how much money we will allow ourselves to have. Now that you are aware of your relationship and self-talk with money, we are going to work on shifting you into a money mindset. In order to change your self-talk and how you talk to others about money, the trick is not to come from a place of lack. You don't want to say words like, I can't do this, I need this now or else. I don't know how the money will come, or this is easier said than done. When you come from a place of lack, you are sending that energy of lack out into the universe. So if you're saying any of these things while using this technique, If you are showing any signs of lack to the universe, you are literally going to block money from coming to you. You must be open and ready to receive. You must not vibrate at the frequency of desperation or lack. In order to shift into a money mindset of abundance, you must immediately go into the opposite spectrum. Replace your negative self-talk about money with positive self-talk. Know what you want. Expect unexpected money to flow into your bank account. Money is just energy. Your thoughts are energy. And if you can think positive thoughts, then you can transform and build a healthy relationship with money. Feel as though you already have this money in your hands. Be excited about it and thank the universe for providing you with all this prosperity. You must feel it in order for this technique to work. All the money you could ever want already exists. You just have to tune into that energy. Number 3, set it and forget it. Focus purely on your daily task instead of money. Once you have shifted your mind into a positive money mindset and tune into the reality of abundance, you simply just set it and forget it. You must detach from the outcome. Focus purely on your daily task instead of the money. Think of money like breathing. We need air to breathe. We do it so often without thinking that it's easy to forget about it. Breathing is important. It keeps you alive, but you don't think about it. Think of money in the same way. You don't put much emphasis on it and you just go about your day. When you're attached to an outcome, you actually block your ability to manifest money, just like how you would block money coming in with negative self-talk. Your energy must be in alignment with all of these steps in order for this technique to work. Number 4, visualize. Now that you have a healthy relationship with money and you have shifted your mindset into positive thoughts, and you know this technique works 100% because you believe it, I invite you to join me in this simple visualization. What I want you to do is close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Now, imagine a radiant stream of blue light coming down into the top of your head and opening up that energy center in your mind and in your heart. This light is glowing brighter and more radiant. Imagine this light, this positive energy, turning into money. You can see it, you can feel it, and you can sense this cash flow of money pouring all around you, filled with abundance and joy. This money is traveling down your spine, opening up all the energy centers inside you. And now enlarge it. Increase the flow of money and the positive energy. Feel this bright light shining forth from the center of your heart. Expand it out. While your eyes are still closed, keep visualizing this money, expanding out and piling up all around you, feeling so excited, feeling so grateful that this is all happening right now. And then repeat this in your mind or out loud. Thank you so much, universe. I am so happy and grateful this money is finally here. Thank you so much, universe. I am so happy and grateful this money is finally here. We'll repeat it one more time. Thank you so much, universe. I am so happy and grateful this money is finally here. And now, you have shifted your reality. You have tuned into the reality of wealth and abundance. This is all happening right now. Stay in this very moment. Take a few moments to enjoy the absolute realization of your intention. It feels good, doesn't it? Isn't it great to know you can have what you want? I want you to imagine yourself commenting down below. Imagine yourself going back to this video and typing out your success story using this technique. What miracles were you able to manifest? Now, open your eyes. How do you feel? Remember, detach yourself from the outcome. Don't go searching for the money. Just know that it's already here. Know that your money is on its way, and in order for this technique to work, you must let go, which leads us to our final step. Number 5, surrender. Simply let go and allow the magic to unfold. In that space of allowing and letting go, you start to come into an energy frequency that is receptive and detached. You don't need to control anything. From this point on, make money just as important as breathing. It is necessary for you to stay alive, but you don't have to think about it. It just happens naturally. Always remember, see it, feel it, and be excited. I can't wait to hear your success stories. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more manifesting tips, subscribe to the video, and happy manifesting.